Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two top contenders in the world of robot vacuums and mops. In one corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, and in the other corner, we have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's dive in and compare these two powerhouses to see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop comes in at $699, while the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum has a higher price tag of $1,299. It's clear that the Shark AI Ultra offers a more budget-friendly option for those looking to invest in a robot vacuum and mop combo. When it comes to cleaning performance, both these robots excel in their own ways. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power and sonic mopping capabilities. With its Matrix Clean technology, it ensures that no spots are missed, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning compared to other models. It also features CleanEdge Detect, which effectively cleans edges and corners for a thorough cleaning experience. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra impresses with its 5,500 Pascal HyperForce Suction, making it a powerhouse when it comes to removing dirt and dust from both floors and carpets. It also features VibraRise Mopping System, which removes dried stains more effectively than traditional robot mops. Additionally, its auto mop lifting feature allows it to vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously, adapting to different surfaces seamlessly. Now let's talk about the smart features. The Shark AI Ultra comes with a range of advanced technologies, including true HEPA filtration for capturing and trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens. It also boasts self-emptying capabilities, holding up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and recharge and resume functionality, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Meanwhile, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra introduces Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, saving you the hassle of moving obstacles before cleaning. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically to prevent any mishaps. The RockDock Ultra charging dock offers a convenient and hassle-free charging experience. For pet owners, both these robots have features to tackle pet messes effectively. The Shark AI Ultra's powerful suction, sonic mopping, and self-cleaning brush roll make it a great choice for homes with pets. It effortlessly picks up pet hair and eliminates stuck-on pet messes. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra also excels in this area with its enhanced suction power and VibraRise Mopping System. It ensures that pet hair and dirt are thoroughly cleaned, leaving your floors spotless. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum have received positive reviews from customers. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Both of these robots offer impressive features and cleaning capabilities, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember to consider factors such as price, cleaning performance, smart features, and pet-friendly capabilities when making your decision. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and links to these products. If you found this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.